Can every chiropractor do an upper cervical adjustment? The short answer to that question is yes. Every chiropractor is capable of doing an upper cervical adjustment. I have seen some wild adjustments in this area. The Y strap adjustment, huge twist, crank, and pull on the neck. This is a very sensitive area. The brainstem is located up here around this first bone. You have to be very careful, precise, gentle in dealing with this area. That's why it's a specialty within the chiropractic field. It's such a delicate area. You see a lot of amazing things happen when you put this area back, but you have to know what you're doing. So if you are getting this area adjusted, I highly recommend an upper cervical chiropractic specialist to get this area adjusted to take care of your neurological issues. Follow me to learn more about upper cervical chiropractic.